So, story time, because I'm absolutely the worst at making YouTube videos, apparently. Oh, your butt's in it.
That's
Anyways,
why I walked away.
free content. Damn, I don't even know how to start this story. So, first off, I replaced my spoiler with the Yofer one. It says Yofer. Probably can't even see that. But I replaced that. Car's a little dirty. It was clean like a week ago, but it's Georgia. Now you guys know where I live. There was this dude that wanted my old spoiler. And I wanted one of his SE rear bumpers because he had 2 SE Camrys. And I was going to pay him for this one. It was like $50. It was such a steal. But then, long story short, he had to give it to his brother. And he felt bad because I drove all the way to Stone Mountain to get it from him. So he gave me the other one for free. However, it has a big old dent, as you can see. Oh my God. And then it also has a dent up here. And it's silver. My car's white. Don't know if you remember from the 30 seconds ago when you saw my car, but my car is white. So we basically shook hands, said fair trade. I'm giving him my old spoiler, and I'll record that when I go do that. But I have this one, and I found a guy that said he would fix it and paint it for 200 bucks, which is also a steal. But what we're doing today, and I mean this whole video is probably going to be a span of different days. So today we're taking off my current bumper and test fitting this to see what the fuck is going on. Make sure it fits, drive around a little bit, make sure it doesn't fall off. Because the thing is, the measurements and the pins should be the same, but you never know. And I don't want to pay to get it fixed and painted and then baba ding, baba doom, it doesn't fucking fit. We're gonna test fit it, and then yeah. I'm gonna try and get y'all set up a little bit. Hopefully I can set it up so y'all can see it. Otherwise, let me get my handy dandy cameraman to hold it. First things first, you gotta pull the inner trunk liner right here out. It's just like 4 pins. Feels like you're gonna break it, you probably are. After you do that, you gotta pull off these taillight plastic things, and it'll give you access to this screw. This one's a little rusty dusty, but has spider webs on it too, so that's how long it's been since any of this has been touched. But that comes out. I already got this one out. Essentially, after that, I'm pretty sure. Damn. So I'm gonna have to take off my mud flaps. So I decided I'm not taking it completely off. I just had to unscrew this top screw right here and then pop out this pin that's down here, but I left it in so that way I could get to it. And I started to pull, oh my God, it's so zoomed in. I started to pull the bumper off, and that presented me with our first set of pins. So you're just gonna get a flathead. See if I can do this through the camera eye. Oh, let me look at it through normal eye. Just gonna get a flathead. And just gonna do that essentially. Just rip that hoe out. So then, this should all, yup. And then you're gonna have something that looks like this. And honestly, last time I saw it like this, it was after my wreck. And boom, that's one side. Let me see if there's pins on yup. Flathead, please. All right, and then I'm gonna have Miss Cameraman. Come on this side, you don't have to hold it. And everybody's like, ooh, you need a trim removal tool. No, bitch. I did this with a flathead.
Look at the ass.
What are you connected to? Oh, I missed 2. Damn it. What did you re-click on? Alright. Bumper. Oh. Dirt. Oh, there's a little bug. Look at my little friend. Look, come here. Look at my little friend. Bitch. Oh, he's still alive. He's gonna, oh, he might attack me now. Alright. Low key, what if I just rock it like this? Where are my keys? Where are my pocket? Honestly, I think that's a look. That's crazy. We got bumper 1 and bumper 2. And honestly, not that big of a mess in the driveway. What is this? Ooh, let me not pick at it. So these are air vents. So theoretically, when I put that on, if I can cut the holes into those vents.
It looks like it might like open or something though.
But I'm saying what I could do is maybe find some that are functional vents, pop them in. Cause why is this filter here? Like I want to rip this off. Should I rip this off so I can have like full airflow and it not be fucking covered by this little flap? We're not gonna try. You know what? Let me not fuck with things until I look on forums and read about things. Hey, I can finally clean this out though. Why is this here? There's nothing that this is protecting. Really? Maybe I should have worked my way up.
Do you really wanna hurt me? Do you really wanna make me cry?
Plot twist again. Got a 10mm wrench. We're at a collision place that my friend works at, and his boss said that he could use my bumper as practice. So we're gonna take it off right now and let him hold on to it till he's done with it. And it'll be a lot cheaper than anything else getting it fixed and painted. So yeah, look how the world works. All right, let's get this thing taken off. Thanks to TL Collision. Got the bumper right there. Sid's gonna start working on it whenever he has free time. That's the only thing that I have to worry about is the fact that now I'm on his time. So I'm gonna go home, rock no bumper on the way home, and then probably, you know, throw the old one on until it's ready. Take the old one off, drive back up here, and then we're gonna have white SE bumper. Then we can start saving up for the full yoker kit. I already got the spoiler, just need the, you know, the side skirts and the rear diffuser and front splitter. I'll catch you guys on whatever day this continues.
3 weeks later.
The shop, guys sit in the cut. They just casually have a FC RX-7 with the pop-up headlights. On God, got the IS350. What do you do here? You be working?
I'm on point spot here, man. Casting couch. What the fuck is this, bro?
I'm not gonna lie, that Porsche is clean as hell. Even looking like that, like it's just.
Oh, yeah, that's a $100,000 horse, man.
But that's what I'm saying, like even looking like a pile of not working right now, it still looks good. So this guy right here, he's a little machine on the hood. This is not the hood, but I don't want to get too up in his face. So that way he could get a proper code reading paint match. And we'll see if this dude will even let it get painted. Finally, hopefully gonna have this damn bumper done. This video has been months in the making. So we're either gonna transfer over my reflectors, and if I break the clips, it's just more motivation to get the sequential ones. Transfer over the vents from the old SE bumper that we didn't end up going with, and transfer the clips down here from the old bumper and just paint them gloss black to match the vents. And then this should theoretically just pop on and bolt in. If it has issues, we'll see what clips we need to pull off that other SE rear and put on here. But it shouldn't need more than just paint and a few things transferred over.
6 months later!
The elusive bumper has been getting the best of me. I literally have Snapchat memories of picking up the bumper. It's sitting in my room for a long time, then finally dropping it off as Sid's. And it hasn't been there for that long, but it's definitely been like 5 months. He said it's finally ready to come pick up. So we got the Jeep. We're gonna throw the back seats down once we get there because we gotta put the damaged bumper in and then the new bumper that we have painted in. Taylor freaked me out a second ago. That was a cop. Taylor freaked me out a second ago. I'm like, what the fuck just happened? Off-road? Just freaked me out for a second because I'm like half asleep because I just got off work. And like I said, we're going to pick up lumber, right? Shotty says there's a car coming. I freak out for a second because I'm like, where? And then I'm like, bro, that's how the fucking road works.
Look, you gotta put context behind that.
Nah.
Yeah.
No.
Had a whole
I'm gonna
conversation.
cut this part out anyways because it's funny.
We had a whole
Literally
conversation.
gonna cut it after I say no. That would be funny. No point in even explaining it. You're just explaining it for yourself. Okay, go ahead. Give context.
No. Cut it either way.
See, it'd be funny if you started talking when I say, okay, give context.
And then
And then
cut
you
it.
start to talk and I cut it. So I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna say, okay, give them context.
Okay.
No.
I believe you.
Okay, it's cold now. I don't want this anymore.
Oh my
Now I'm
God.
hot. It's humid. It's Georgia.
Jesus Christ.
Look, there's Pookie Wookie and there's Pookie Bookie. Looking cute as ever. She said she didn't want to be on camera, but guess what? You were camera. Come look at this McLaren over here. Come here.
Up on.
I didn't know y'all worked on McLaren 720S. Bro, I'll buy this off of the owner too. Huh? Why am I what? Did you say why am I lying? I'll buy that F80 over there too. It's kind of clean.
Burn.
Oh God, this should go crazy. It's like 10 years in the making. This shit got done in the same amount of time it takes me to get to 0 to 60. That was funny. That was a good one. You don't think that was
Did
a
you
good
just
one?
look to Taylor for validation of your joke? Is that what you just did just now?
It was more so the camera getting her reaction because they can't see her. I felt her.
That joke was so unfunny. I think I would kill myself.
Oh, and jizz. Shivering me timbers. There's a strong chance I put those on upside down. No shot. That looks right? Oh. Got bad hit, but that's gonna do it for the long-awaited bumper video. I have a few other videos I've been sitting on because I've been wanting to get this bumper done, and finally, after months of waiting, it's done. Part of the issues that I've run into are the gap that I had on the driver's side that was the same as the gap that I had on my old bumper from the wreck that I was in that I did not cause. Specifically on that side, the paint looks like a different color, but realistically it's just because the shop that fixed the car did a shit-ass job. Can't do anything about that, but overall, very happy with how it turned out. It's been a stressful, long process, but we got it. Got the bumper. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment what you think I should do next, and subscribe.